Whoa!
I mean, all that's in there is that's good as a Thompson. It's really not worth a raid. But it would be fun to counter.
Oh, they're gonna be here real quick.
Let me know when you guys are in place, because I'm gonna need, you know, distractions and all that.
We're in place.
Okay, I'm at the top of the bucket now.
Pistol bullets in here.
There's no pistol bullets, you'll have to make some.
Alright, I'm coming out of the cave right now.
Okay, I don't know where they are. Oh, they're still booming. I don't know that I want to open this. They're throwing one at a time, so I'm gonna try to. As soon as this explodes, I'm gonna open the door.
Okay. Where are they? Do you have any idea?
Hit one. They got water pipes.
I'm coming right now.
Oh shit! I'm gonna down. Mushrooms.
One's full dead.
Halo, go, go, hey, go, go, go! Can you get a water pipe, dude? There's 7. Just go out there with it.
7 bullets.
The other one's behind the base.
I'm healing.
That's not enough for me to...
It's Soneth. Yeah, it was him. He's dead.
Okay.
Where's... Okay. Who just shot? Was that you?
3 satchels. Me.
Nice.
I just shot.
Nice. I'm... Somebody just jumped. Somebody just fell down. Okay.
It was me. I'm going down with you.
We... Oh my god, I'm dead! I'm dead! I'm dead! One's down! No, don't go in! Don't go in! Keep the base safe. Yeah, close the door. My code lock will be done in 7 seconds. Oh! Somebody reopened it. Close it. Close it. Close the front door. Oh, shit.
I got
Coming back.
Oh, move, move, move! Oh my god, I'm dead. Close the door and set the code. Set